penalty shootout tournament 2022.
Wow!
Oh. Goal. Đây chỉ mình nhà lẽ team kana competitive sang tough competition is going on between these two teams. This is the final match for the Open Penalty Shootout 2022, organized by ZBC Baptist Church, Jalukie Town Youth Fellowship. The match is going on beautifully. Yes, another goal. Ball Brasilia, the match is going on very beautifully. Another score. Another score. Come see me, come see me.
Có mùi gì? Thả miếng thả lô. Team kana lấy ra. Final con thả với team kana. Ai thế, ngồi gai thế. Có mùi gì?
Good pala mo dali. The final match is going on between Hingho FC versus LBYD Samzuram 1. Some competition to one another, and the final and the match is going very well, very beautiful. Ngâu y lê. The winner for the Open Penalty Shootout Tournament organized by ZBC Baptist Church, Jalukie Town Youth Fellowship is Hingho FC from New Jalukie. Tournament ay dalawang didile because of your participation. So we really thank you from the bottom of our heart. May God bless all of you. And one thing, our sports committee member left out. That is, I want to say thank you to Government Higher Secondary School Jalukie Town for giving us this ground for free to spend this day here without any without making any difficulties for us. So we are so thankful to the school and the school authorities as well. Miss Wida, nag-anigo prize distribution. Gan niwang di ko da, anigo prize distributor, hanggang anigo associate pastor. Azang sila pane prize distributor ada. At sa lusa, pane anigo tournament. He shall conclude this tournament with prayer. The sports committee, games and sports committee, lambe pigine. Hai mana te si kamdele. So be ball per kilise. Our keeper can be super wonderful performance. This holiday we will just give it to one person, and unanimously the sports committee, the referee board has decided to award the best glove to Mr. Mr. Keeper from LBYD Samjaram 1. Widambo, isangda, tamisang dan tarizin misui de leberang ada. Second prize, runner-up, LBYG Samjaram 1. Panigo team captain ne wang receive the lume. Okay, so now the first prize, the champion for this Open Penalty Shootout 2022 organized by ZMA Baptist Church, Jalukie Town Youth Fellowship is Hingho FC from New Jalukie. Congratulations to all the winners. Miss Lee Sangda, may God bless you all.
Tikiro Floyda, Marorame comes to that ZBC, Jalukie Town Youth Move. And the church office में पूरा लाइव है लम्बी टीम लोग है नोवर टेल है जंगे वो पता है कुछ ले सुना नहीं